welcome back to my channel. How have you all been? I'm doing good. This is me doing voiceover for the first time and it feels very weird somehow and I don't know why. Few days ago I watched this iced coffee with condensed milk recipe on Instagram and I wanted to try it so bad and it is so good, like so good. You should try it too. It's so tasty and very delicious. I must say, doing voiceovers is quite easy than typing long subtitles. But I'm a very shy person and it's quite hard for me to talk. But today I want to push myself out of my comfort zone and try something new. So, voiceover it is. I wanted to try a week of what vlog kind of thing. But my storage said no, not today after the 4th day, which is kind of sad, but anyways. On the first day I went with gouache painting using my miya gouache. This video is not a tutorial kind of thing, it's just a simple watch me paint kind of thing. I do say think quite a lot. Guess it's my thing now. I did a sketchbook flip through. You can watch it in the eye. Today we are going to paint my dream boy. And yes, he's a fictional character. He's Howl from Howl's Moving Castle. If you are a Studio Ghibli fan, send me a comment cause we need to talk a lot and we need to share a lot. Also, let me know your favorite movie in the comment box. Who knows, I might paint a scenery from it and gift it to you. I thought of using all different mediums in this video: gouache, acrylic, watercolors, oils and pencils, but I only used 4 of them. This video is worth my dark circles. It was around 3 hours unedited video and I had to drop it down to 15 to 20 minutes max. I didn't make this video a tutorial because I want you to watch this video sitting comfortably and cozily. Just watching, no painting today, just purely watching for enjoyment, that's it. This is my 3rd time painting a portrait using gouache. The first 2 didn't go well and the 3rd also is not going well. But that's okay, we are going somewhere, like we are learning. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. This is my 2nd video painting a scenery from Howl's Moving Castle. I did a tutorial on the first one. It's hard to understand the meaning of Studio Ghibli movies on your first watch, but they are definitely worth a rewatch if you ask me. Painting or sketching hair is the worst thing for me. I'm so bad at them. You can clearly see me going over and over and over with those strokes. Why does it look like I gave him a bad haircut, which is a bob cut? But that's okay. I like him anyways. This is me painting in real time. My favorite thing about him is his green emerald earrings. They're so beautiful. I love adding highlights to my paintings. It gives them extra life. Almost done with our day 1 painting. It's okay, not that bad and not good either. Okay. second time painting how. The first time I did with watercolors, you can see a very much difference in sketching and painting pattern too. It's like all from a different nationality somehow. That's it for the day one. Bye bye. Second day, and yay! I should be a brand ambassador for Nescafe coffee. I've used them in so many tutorials. I linked down all materials I used in description. You can look out for them. I love painting with oils. It's my favorite medium. But I don't know how to do it very well. I'm learning. So far I can paint eyes, nose and lips with oils and ocean waves. I actually recorded this painting a full tutorial version and I posted it on my channel. And that's it for the second day. On the third day, I used acrylics. Clearly not my favorite medium. And also we are not drinking coffee today. Green tea. You can watch this sketchbook flip through too in I. Painting with acrylics is quite hard for me. I know how the blendings work, but I don't know how to give the details and life to the painting when I'm painting with acrylics. I watched a bunch of tutorials on how to blend with acrylics, how to paint with acrylics, how to do anything with acrylics, but I guess it's not my medium, it's not my thing. I realized I have a very few things to talk about, so I'm going to change the topic from painting to series. I recently watched The Last of Us. It's a very good series. A friend recommended me to watch it, and I must say I enjoyed every single bit, every single second of the series. It is so amazing. I was very disappointed after this painting. I used a reference and still I did bad. I opened a shop on Etsy to sell my paintings because I like it when people have my paintings in their homes. I didn't do all the listings. Once I'm done with the listings, I will upload it on my Instagram. You can check and go through the link and buy my art if you want to. comes the most satisfying part of any painting: tape peel. And bye bye for day 3. Along with coffee, I like drinking chai too, but not as much as enjoying as coffee. I had so many b-roll shots and so much content planned for this video, but only few of them made it to the final. I like making videos and vlogging stuff. Maybe one day in future I would quit my job and just do vlogging and everything. On the last day, I went with pencil sketching and I used Vincent van Gogh's most popular Starry Night as my reference. I love this painting so much. It's so beautiful and the message that he tried to convey with it is very beautiful. I tried painting this twice and I failed twice, but the pencil sketching is quite good actually. I like the end product of it. Vincent van Gogh is my inspiration along with Claude Monet. They are such a good painters. I want to leave everything and become an artist like them. Maybe I will one day. I just want to live in my dream city, Paris, and paint, sketch people there, and find love there. I know it's cliche, but I'm waiting and counting on it. For some reason, Starry Night reminds me of Paris, a city where I want to live and spend my life. I will stop for now because if I start talking about Paris and art school, art life, I will go on for a day. Maybe in the next coming videos, I will try to share a bit more about my life and my interests. Doing voiceovers is kinda easy, except the fact that I had to re-record my voice for like 10 times before actually saying it and deleting if I don't like it. But it's easy and very convenient. I will try to do more voiceovers in the future. I started this no stress sketchbook where I am actually now drawing Starry Night. It's where I feel comfortable and don't expect anything from a painting, whether it's good or bad, or it turns out ugly or turns out beautiful. I'll just sketch it out, paint it out, and be happy about it. That's it. I think I enjoy a lot when I don't have expectations about the end product. That's what made me to start this sketchbook. Along with painting, my other hobby is playing an instrument. I'm learning how to play guitar these days, but my small little fingers are not helping me that much. But I'll try to get better at it. I will add a video of me playing guitar, which is very bad, but you can laugh about it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video.